You remember her coffee order, text back instantly, and always say yes. So why does she choose guys who treat her worse? Turns out science has the answer. A 2022 study in the Journal of Social Psychology found that women perceive overly agreeable men as less attractive. Ouch. Today I will reveal 3 science backed reasons why girls reject nice guys and how to fix it. Let's dive in. Reason number 1, nice guys like challenge. Boring, no spark. My friend Ayush spent 6 months being the perfect guy. Always available, never disagreed. Then his crush said, "You are too sweet, but I am not feeling it." Let me know in the comment section if you find this thing relatable. So let's back to the video. Ayush was like, why? For this, let me tell you another study found in the University of Virginia that women are subconsciously wired to prefer men who builds emotional tension, not just safe guys. So for that, let me tell you a fact. So Psychology Today reports that playful teasing triggers attraction by creating unpredictability. You have to become unpredictable. Now you are thinking in your mind how to become unpredictable. Don't worry, I have a solution. Challenge her opinion respectfully. So instead of saying you are right, say like you actually like pineapple on pizza. That's concerning. And one more thing that kills attraction is by being too available, because that kills mystery. So let's come to reason number 2, that is nice guys hide their intention. That friend zone trap. So let me tell you another story of my friend Pulkit. So Pulkit once liked a girl for 10 months and she was in her coaching classes. So Pulkit used to help her in her college projects, assignments, and listen to her all day things. Then she started dating a guy that she met at a bar. When Pulkit got to know this thing, he went to her, confessed his feelings, and you know what her reaction was? "Oh, I had no idea you liked me." Boom. All the time Pulkit was doing favors for her, doing this and that, listening to her, and now she told Pulkit that she does not know that he likes her. You know why? A research from Stanford University shows that women assume men who don't flirt early are not interested, so they move on. Let me tell you a fact. A Match.com survey found that 68% of women lose attraction if a man waits too long to move things forward. So the clear solution is start flirting within the first few interactions. For this, let me give you an example. Let me tell you, you are fun. We should grab coffee before you fall for me. Damn boy, it is that easy. Let me tell you it again. Waiting too long will make you wait forever. So now let's come to reason number 3, that is nice guys put her on pedestal. So let me tell you a story of my viewer. So one of my viewer, I will not reveal his name, did the same mistake. He told me that he bought flowers for her, bought her many designer gifts, drove 200 kilometers to see her, and at the end of the day, do you know what she said to him? She said, "You are too nice." And then she ghosted him. And do you know why? So according to the study of Harvard Business Review, people respect those who value themselves first. Overgiving screams desperation. Another fact, Behavioral Science Journal reports excessive generosity lowers perceived status. It shows that you have nothing else to give. That's why you are using objects. There should be a balance. You should not chase someone who does not appreciate you, who does not value you. So please stop chasing people, especially those who does not value you, who does not appreciate you. Believe me, it is a deadly mistake thinking giving gifts will make her fall in love with you. Women want confidence, not bribes. Yes, there is an exception, gold diggers. And believe me, staying single is way better than dating a gold digger. If you want to become kind but attractive as well, don't worry, I have 3 science-backed ways. Number 1, lead and don't follow. This Saturday we will try that new Thai restaurant. Stanford University found that decisiveness is equals to 73% more attraction. Number 2, flirt early. you are a trouble, but I like it. A study of psychology today tells that playful bantering builds tension. Number third, have a life outside her. Bro, please stop revolving around her. University of Chicago tells that women prioritize men with passions. So that's it. At the end of the day, you have to understand women don't hate nice guys. They hate guys who use niceness to hide their fear. Fear of rejection. So tell me which reason shocked you the most. Drop a comment.